Welcome to Auto 777. Today, we take a closer look at the iconic 2025 Ford Mustang V8, a car that continues to carry the legendary pony car legacy with unmatched power, bold styling, and thrilling performance. With over 6 decades of heritage behind it, the 2025 Mustang V8 is a modern muscle car designed for enthusiasts who crave the roar of a powerful engine and the excitement of an unforgettable driving experience. Let's dive into its commanding design, ferocious engine, premium interior, and cutting-edge safety features. The exterior of the 2025 Ford Mustang V8 captures the spirit of its predecessors while incorporating modern aerodynamic advancements. The front end features a wide and aggressive grille adorned with the iconic Mustang logo, flanked by sleek LED headlights and sharp daytime running lights. A sculpted hood with functional air vents hints at the power lurking beneath, while the bold body lines give the Mustang a dynamic, muscular stance. At the rear, signature tri-bar LED taillights, a sporty rear diffuser, and quad exhaust tips complete its aggressive look. The Mustang rides on 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, with an option to upgrade to 20-inch forged wheels for added flair. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine that produces an impressive 500 horsepower and 570 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a 10-speed automatic for those who prefer effortless performance. The Mustang V8 delivers a thrilling 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 4.2 seconds, with a top speed of 168 miles per hour. Thanks to an improved intake system, revised exhaust tuning, and advanced engine management, the 2025 Mustang offers an exhilarating driving experience with a distinctive V8 growl that enthusiasts adore. Enhanced suspension and optional Magnaride adaptive dampers ensure precise handling and a comfortable ride, whether on winding roads or the open highway. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a blend of classic Mustang charm and modern sophistication. The driver-focused cockpit features a customizable 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and a large 13.2-inch Sync 4 infotainment screen, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. Premium materials, such as leather-trimmed seats, aluminum accents, and optional carbon fiber inserts, elevate the interior's feel. The front seats are not only heated and ventilated but also provide excellent bolstering for spirited driving. The flat-bottom steering wheel, adorned with the Mustang logo, enhances the sporty vibe. Other conveniences include dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system for an immersive audio experience. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Mustang V8 doesn't compromise. Ford has equipped it with a host of advanced driver assistance features under the Copilot 360 suite, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. A rear-view camera, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system make parking and maneuvering hassle-free. The car's sturdy construction, along with high-performance Brembo brakes and advanced traction control, ensures confidence even during aggressive driving. The 2025 Ford Mustang V8 is more than just a car, it's a symbol of American muscle and a testament to Ford's dedication to performance and innovation. With its bold design, roaring V8 engine, luxurious interior, and advanced technology, it's a car that continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking it to the track, the Mustang V8 delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Thank you for joining us at Auto 777 for this in-depth review of the 2025 Ford Mustang V8. If you loved this look at one of America's most iconic cars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive reviews. See you in the next video.